Hi, my name is Jerry Hong and I'm the product manager for the app library here at Ensighten. Deploying apps is easy with the Ensighten platform. We'll go through 4 simple steps in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. What you see here is the Ensighten app library. We support numerous apps from 4Q to Criteo to Google Analytics and more. After clicking on any of the apps, you'll see a short description to the right, highlighting the benefits of the application. Now let's see how easy it is to deploy an app in real time and how it can immediately add value to your business. For this demo, we'll show you how to deploy the Opinion Lab app, which enables your web visitors to provide feedback on your site. Deploying an app takes merely 4 steps. Step 1 is to configure the app by filling out the fields. Step 2 allows you to choose which page you want the tag to fire. Step 3 enables you to name the deployment and choose the tag execution method. Lastly, step 4 allows you to confirm your setup. Let's start with step 1. Every app might be a bit different in this step, but for Opinion Lab, we have a simple selector at the top that allows us to choose the type of survey. Furthermore, we can choose the location of the survey and define what text should show up either when there's no mouse hovered over it or when there is. For the sake of this demo, we'll enter test text for one and hover text for the other. In addition, for the purpose of this showcasing this technology, we'll set the sampling rate to 100% so that the visitor will see the feedback technology every time he or she visits the site. Step 2 is where you choose the conditions for which you like your tag to fire. By default, it's the global condition. In other words, it fires on every page. However, you can also choose custom conditions, which effectively allows you to specify which pages you want the tag to fire. For this demo, we'll go ahead with the global condition. Step 3 allows you to name the deployment, which makes finding app deployments easy if you ever have to find them again. In addition, you can also choose which space you like to deploy the app on. For more information about spaces, we encourage you to watch that tutorial. For this demo, we'll deploy this app on the production space. Lastly, there's the advanced options. Here you can set different dependencies and modify the execution time. For sake of simplicity, we'll choose the default, which is execute immediately. Step 4 gives you an opportunity to review your inputs and also see the generated tag code. If everything looks good, click Save and you are done. We see a pop-up on the top right. This is a reminder that the app is saved, but we need to publish it in order to see it live on the site. Let's do this in the deployment section of the Ensighten Manage interface. In the deployment tutorial videos, there's a 3-step process to push an app live. You have to first enable the app, commit it, and then publish it. We'll follow the same steps here to get the Opinion Lab app out. For this demo, we'll publish it to the production space. Great, now that we received confirmation that the space has been published, let's go to our site. Now this is what it looks like after we've deployed the app. You see a new opt-in feedback icon in the bottom right of the site. Without hovering the mouse over the icon, it says test text, and when we do hover over the icon, it says hover text. This is exactly what we expected, and the app deployment was a success. Now, in actual practice, you may not always find the app you want in our app library. We've got you covered. Introducing the JS Cut and Paste app. This allows you to deploy any custom application, and all you have to do is copy and paste the JavaScript code in the text editor. For this demo, we'll create a simple app that pops up an alert that says, "Welcome to the demo," whenever a user visits the site. Like before, we'll choose the global condition in step 2. Step 3, we'll name the deployment pop-up for easy reference, and we'll choose the space to be prod. We can quickly review the inputs in step 4 and save our configuration. Lastly, we'll need to publish our app via the 3 steps process that we discussed before. Now we see 2 rows, but that's expected because we are deploying 2 apps. We'll enable, commit, and publish the new JavaScript cut and paste application. Similarly to the Opinion Lab app, we'll also publish lists to the production environment to see it live immediately on our site. Let's refresh our page to see the changes. Awesome! We see the pop-up window with the text, "Welcome to the demo," which confirms that our deployment was successful. As you can see, deploying apps via the Insighten platform is extremely easy, and we did 2 in less than 10 minutes. Never again should you have to worry about waiting weeks and months to update and or deploy a new technology. This is the power of the Insighten app library, agility made easy. Thank you for watching.